Hi boys and girls, welcome back. Today I thought it would be fun to do a cooking activity. Now when I do cooking, I like to wear an apron so I protect my clothes. So you can see we're all wearing our aprons, and I even found a really funny hat that has my last name on it and says Chef Skylar. So I'm gonna wear that so I don't get any hair in my food. And today, can anyone guess what we are gonna be making? Not you, silly. Other kids. We have out some bread, some jam. And some peanut butter. What do you think I might be making today? Do you really think so? Oh my goodness, you are so smart. You're right. I'm going to be making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And so we're all going to try. So the first step is just to put some bread out on a plate or a napkin. We're going to make ours for lunch. So we're just going to start with the napkin. And we're going to start. So I'll show and then I'll have you do it. So I'm going to take a knife and scoop out some peanut butter. And moms and dads, your children can do this. In school, we do this all the time with 3 and 4-year-olds. So I'll show you how you can kind of modify it depending on the age of your child. So I'm going to spread some peanut butter on that side. And now I like peanut butter on both sides. So some people just like it on one side, but I actually like it on both. So I'm going to spread some right there. Then I'm going to preload the knife for Jax. And I'm going to kind of put it on there, and he can start spreading himself. And for Juliana, the same thing. I'm going to and because she's littler, the way I'm going to modify it for her is I'm mostly going to spread it so that all she kind of has to do is just do the very edge. Do you want it on both sides?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And I like to give kids as much opportunity to make choices for themselves as possible. So there you go. Okay, now you finish spreading. There you go. A little bit more. You spread it on that side, okay? So you can see hers is mostly spread, but she's going to work now on just spreading the little last bit out. Okay, we're done with that.
I want both sides.
Oh, you need it on both sides. Okay, sorry. And again, he's older, so I'm going to let him try to scoop out enough. Do you think you got enough peanut butter for that bread?
No.
No, so what do you need to do?
Get more.
Get more. Oop, do you think that'll be enough?
Oh.
This is also an opportunity for problem solving and figuring things out. Okay, is that going to be enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, and look at what a nice job you did spreading your peanut butter. Okay, we'll put that over here. Next, we're going to do some jam. And I'm just going to do a little dollop of jam there. And for Jules, okay, Jules, I'm going to put some jam on it, and then you can spread the jam all around. And because jam is so much easier to spread, I'm going to let her spread that herself. And you are a big boy, so you can get your own jam. Oh, yeah, it's delicious to lick. And then we're just going to spread the jam all around. Boys and girls, when you're spreading your jam, make sure you get it all the way to the edge because you don't want the plain bread. It tastes best if it has jam on it. And then I have some more on this side, so I'm just going to wipe it there.
It's wiggly.
Is it wiggly?
A little bit.
Cool. I'm going to move this out of the way. Okay. Looks like we're all about to the same spot. And Mom's going to help you just move yours just a little bit. There you go. You got it. Okay, the next thing, you're going to need that knife again in a minute. I'll hold it for you for right now, though. So the next thing you're going to do is take the 2 pieces of bread and put them together like a little match.
Okay.
Jules, can you match yours? Put it on top. Great.
Looks good.
And it's fine. She didn't put hers facing the same direction, but that's okay because it's going to taste delicious however she does it. Now the last step we're going to do is cut it in half. So I'm going to hold one side and I'm going to gently, in a sawing motion, go back and forth. And if I put my finger here and push down really hard, then I got it all the way through. And now, since Julie is very young and she hasn't practiced this one before, I'm going to help her. So we're just going to do a little bit of hand over hand, and I'm going to help her learn the motions. See, Jules, we're pushing down as we push and saw, push and saw. Push and saw, then we'll cut our sandwich. Ta-da! You did it. How many pieces of sandwich do you have now?
1.
Is there 1 or 2?
1, 2, 3.
There are 3? Boys and girls, does she have 3 sandwiches? No. No, you don't have 3. Let's count again. 1, 2. You have 2 sandwiches. And now it's time for lunch, boys and girls. And look, just like that, you can make your very own lunch.
I cut mine into
Enjoy.
fours.
Oh, Jax wanted to show me. He did more than 2. He cut his into how many?
4.
4
No.
pieces. So we all started out with one sandwich, and you can cut it into lots of different shapes and see how many pieces you get. All right, friends, bon appetit. Enjoy your lunch.